Hello guys, in this video I want to show you probably the best way to mine bitcoins. And you don't need any software, you mine them using your internet browser, so you don't have to worry about downloading suspicious software on your computer. Before we begin, let's make a free bitcoin wallet. If you don't have one, you can create one on blockchain.com. So you click this blue get a free wallet button, and the procedure of creating a wallet is pretty much easy. You just need to type in your email address and of course a password. Okay, so let me do it right now. Check this box and click the continue button. Alright, now we got our own private Bitcoin wallets, so we are basically ready to start using the miner. And let me just confirm my email address first. That's pretty important too, I suppose. Okay, there is no bitcoins at all on my wallet for this moment, of course. And if you want to check your wallet address, you click that request button and here it is. So yeah, now let me show you the miner. The website's name is bitgenex.net and it looks like this. There's your personal referral link which you can send all over the web, for example on some internet forums, so you will get extra bitcoins for every person who clicks this link. You also need to have at least 10 referrals to be able to pay out, but don't worry, that's pretty much easy. You just need at least 10 people to click on this link. Of course, it's all free. By the way, you can mine not only bitcoins but also Ethereum and Monero. I don't know if there will be any other currencies available in the future, but probably yes. But anyway, let's stay with Bitcoin. I think it's the most profitable currency on this website. Alright, so there is the main website console which you use to start mining. All you have to do is click the green button Start Mining. And now we wait. It takes about a minute on my computer to mine the first part of a Bitcoin. It's about $5, so that's pretty much, you know, $5 for a minute of mining. That's very efficient. Okay, I will skip that part so you don't have to wait. Okay, it's almost done. We are about to get our first coins here. And here we go, it's this much. Let's see how much is it worth in US dollars. Let me copy that amount to the calculator and multiply it by the Bitcoin price. So we'll get the amount. Okay, it's more than it's $5, almost $6 for about a minute of mining. Imagine how much it would be if you will left this console overnight. Or even for an hour. Let's check. Okay, so more than $300. Great, but you can't just leave this console, open it and, for example, go playing a video game, because this console has to be opened all the time, or else the mining procedure will be terminated. I don't know why, but it's how it is. If we had enough coins to pay out, you click this green button and you choose the Bitcoin option here. You paste your Bitcoin wallet address in this text area. As I showed you before, you can get your address here, only if you already have a Bitcoin wallet, of course. And you copy that and paste it here. But as you can see, I haven't got enough bitcoins to pay out. I need to have at least 0.01. So I will mine it and see you guys in about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back now and I got even more than 0.01. So let's see how much is it worth first. You can do it on this website on the stats page. And here it is, more than $100, nice. Let's try to pay out this and see if it works. So here we go. You can check this box to get your coins instantly, like in 5 seconds or even faster. As far as I know, it's free for now, so yeah, we can check this. And I will switch to the blockchain tab and wait for the bitcoins to arrive. And here it is, we just got it. With no problems at all. It's not the exact amount as it was shown on the BitGenex page, but you know. But yeah, it's close enough, and as you saw, it's so easy to mine bitcoins, you don't need any software at all, except of course the internet browser. You can start doing it even now. I hope this video helped you to get started, and see you guys in another video.